Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to another episode of TED Talk Daily. I am your host, the very happy and very energetic Lucy.
And hello, everyone. I am your other host, the slightly less energetic but very ready to learn David. Welcome back to the channel where learning English is fun, easy, and sometimes a little bit silly.
David, why are you less energetic today? Did you not drink your coffee?
Oh, Lucy, I drank 3 cups of coffee, but it is Monday. Monday mornings are difficult for me. My brain is still sleeping.
Wake up, David's brain. We have a great show today. We are going to talk about something that everyone has. It might be big, it might be small, it might be loud, or it might be quiet.
Are we talking about elephants?
No, David, not elephants. We are talking about family.
Ah, family. That is a much better topic than elephants. Although my uncle eats like an elephant, he eats so much food.
See? You are already using good vocabulary. Family is a perfect topic for our listeners because everyone has a family story. And the words we use for family are very useful in daily conversation.
That is true. If you meet a new person, usually question number 2 or number 3 is, do you have any brothers or sisters? Or, are you married?
Exactly. So today we will look at the simple words, the tricky words, and we will tell you about our own crazy families. Are you ready, David?
I was born ready, Lucy. Let's start with the basics, the nuclear family.
Ooh, nuclear. That sounds dangerous, like a bomb. Boom.
No, no, don't worry. A nuclear family is a term we use in English. It just means the small, main family. Usually this means the mother, the father, and the children.
I see. So, mom, dad, and kids. That is the nuclear family. So, David, tell us about your nuclear family. Is it big?
It is actually quite small. There is my father. His name is Robert. There is my mother. Her name is Anne. And there is me.
Wait, just you? You are an only child?
No, I have one sister. Her name is Sarah. So there are 4 people in my nuclear family. It is quiet. It is organized. It is peaceful.
Boring. Just kidding. That sounds nice. Peaceful?
What about you, Lucy? Is your family peaceful?
No, my family is a zoo. My family is very, very big.
How big?
Okay, count with me. There is my mom and dad. That is 2. Then I have 3 brothers.
3 brothers. Wow.
Yes, Tom, Mike, and Steve. And I have 2 sisters.
2 sisters. So that is 5 children?
Yes, 5 children plus mom and dad. There are 7 people in my house. It is never quiet. Someone is always shouting, "Where's my sock?" Or, "Who ate the last cookie?"
That sounds chaotic, but also very fun.
It is fun, but let's teach our listeners a special word. David, I have brothers and sisters. What is the one word that means brothers and sisters?
That is a great word. The word is siblings. Siblings. Siblings.
Yes. So I can ask, David, do you have any siblings?
And I answer, yes, I have 1 sibling, my sister. And you, Lucy, you have 4 siblings.
Exactly. Siblings is a very professional and easy way to ask about brothers and sisters together.
Okay, so that is the immediate family. But what about the people outside your house? What do we call them?
We call them the extended family. This means your grandparents, your uncles, your aunts, and your cousins.
Let's break that down. First, the parents of your parents.
Those are your grandparents, grandfather and grandmother,
Or if you want to be casual and cute, you can say grandpa and grandma.
or Nana and Papa. There are so many names. My grandma loves to bake cakes. She is very sweet. But my grandpa is grumpy.
Grumpy? What does grumpy mean?
Grumpy means a little bit angry or easily annoyed. Like if I make too much noise, my grandpa says, Lucy, be quiet. I am watching the news. He is a grumpy old man.
I think I will be a grumpy old man one day.
You are already a grumpy young man, David.
Hey, that is not nice. Okay, let's move to the next group, the brothers and sisters of your parents.
If your mom has a sister, she is your aunt. AUNT.
And if your dad has a brother, he is your uncle. UNCLE.
Do you have a favorite uncle, David?
I do. My Uncle Joe. He is my mother's brother. He is very tall and very funny. He always tells me bad jokes.
Example? Give me a bad joke.
Okay, Uncle Joe told me this one. Why did the cookie go to the hospital?
I don't know. Why?
Because he felt crummy.
Oh, David, that is terrible. Crummy means feeling sick, but a cookie has crumbs. That is a classic dad joke or uncle joke.
I told you, he is funny. What about your aunts?
I have an Aunt Linda. She is interesting. She loves cats. She has 10 cats.
10 cats? That is too many cats, Lucy.
I know. When we visit her house, there is cat hair everywhere. On the sofa, on the table, in the soup.
In the soup? No.
Maybe not in the soup. But she is the crazy cat lady of the family. But we love her.
Okay, so we have aunts and uncles. Now, what about their children? The children of your aunts and uncles.
Those are your cousins.
I love my cousins. We are the same age. When we were kids, we played video games together all summer.
Cousins are like your first friends. Let me think. I have about 12 cousins.
12. Lucy, your family is not a family. It is a small village.
It feels like a village. When we have a family reunion, we need to rent a big park. We cannot fit in a house.
Reunion. That is a good word. Reunion. A reunion is a party where the whole family comes together after a long time.
Yes. Usually there's a lot of food, a lot of hugging, and a lot of noise.
Okay, Lucy, we have the vocabulary. We have nuclear family, extended family, siblings, grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins.
But David, how do we describe these people? If I want to tell our listeners about my brother, what words do I use?
We need adjectives. We can describe two things: appearance, how they look, and personality, how they act.
Okay, let's practice. I will describe my brother, Tom. You guess the adjectives.
Go ahead.
Tom plays basketball. He is 1 meter 90 centimeters. He cannot fit through the door sometimes.
He's tall, very tall.
Correct. And he goes to the gym every day. He can lift heavy boxes.
He's strong or muscular.
Yes. But he never cleans his room. His clothes are on the floor. His pizza boxes are under the bed.
Yo, he's messy.
Very messy. So Tom is tall, muscular, but messy.
Okay, my turn. I will describe my sister Sarah. She reads books all day. She gets A+ in every class at school. She knows the answer to every question.
She sounds smart or intelligent.
She is. But she's also, how do I say this? She doesn't like talking to new people. She gets nervous. She likes to be alone.
Ah, she is shy.
Yes, she is shy. But once she knows you, she's very kind. She always helps me with my problems.
That is sweet. So Sarah is smart, shy, and kind.
Listeners, think about your family. Is your father funny or serious? Is your mother short or tall? Is your brother lazy or hardworking?
Lazy is a good word. My brother Steve is lazy. He sleeps until 12 p.m. on Saturdays.
I think I am a little bit lazy on Saturdays too.
We are all a little lazy sometimes.
Lucy, before we get to our story segment, let's talk about relationships. Not just names, but how we get along.
Get along. That is a phrasal verb. It means to have a good relationship, to be friendly.
right? I get along with my sister very well. We rarely fight.
I get along with my brothers usually, but sometimes we fight. When we were kids, we fought about the TV remote control.
The classic fight. I want to watch cartoons. No, I want to watch sports.
Exactly. But now that we are adults, we are close. Being close means we share our feelings and we support each other.
It is important to be close with family. They are the people who know you best.
David, I think we have given our listeners a lot of good words. We have nouns, adjectives, and phrasal verbs.
Yes, but the best way to learn is to hear these words in a real situation.
I agree. And you promised me a story, David. Or, wait, did I promise a story?
You said you have a real-life story about your family. You said something about a turkey disaster.
Oh no, the turkey disaster. Do I have to tell this story? It is embarrassing.
Yes! This is TED Talk Daily. We tell the truth here.
Okay. Listeners, settle in, get comfortable. This is the story of the worst Thanksgiving dinner in the history of my family.
I am listening.
So, this happened 3 years ago. It was Thanksgiving. In America, this is a very big holiday where families eat a giant turkey.
A turkey is a very big bird. Delicious.
Yes, my mother spent 5 hours cooking this turkey. It was beautiful. It was golden brown. It smelled amazing. The whole house smelled like rosemary and butter.
I am getting hungry just listening to this.
Everyone was there. My parents, my 3 brothers, my 2 sisters, grandma, grandpa, and the cousins. About 15 people. We were all sitting in the living room, talking and laughing.
Where was the turkey?
The turkey was in the kitchen on the table, cooling down. My mom said, "Don't touch the turkey. It is too hot."
Okay, safe strategy.
Now, I need to introduce one more family member. My brother Mike's dog. His name is Buster.
Oh no. What kind of dog is Buster?
Buster is a golden retriever. He is big. He has a lot of energy, and he loves food more than anything in the world.
I think I know where this story is going.
So we are in the living room. Suddenly, we hear a noise. Crash, then squish, then slurp, slurp, slurp.
Oh no.
The whole room went silent. My mom's eyes got very wide. She whispered, "The turkey."
Did everyone run to the kitchen?
We ran. We sprinted to the kitchen. And there on the floor was the beautiful turkey. And standing over the turkey was Buster.
Did he eat it?
He didn't just eat it, David. He destroyed it. One leg was gone. The skin was gone. He looked at us, wagging his tail with grease all over his face. He looked so happy. He looked like he was smiling.
Oh my goodness. What did your mom do? Did she cry?
She screamed, "Buster!" But then she started laughing. She laughed so hard she had to sit down on the floor.
Really? She wasn't angry.
She was in shock, I think. She said, "Well, Buster had a good Thanksgiving. What are we going to eat?"
That is a disaster. 15 people and no food?
We had to improvise. Improvise means to make a plan quickly when things go wrong. My dad called the pizza shop.
You ate pizza for Thanksgiving?
Yes, we ordered 10 large pizzas. We sat on the floor in the living room, eating pepperoni pizza, drinking soda, and laughing about the dog.
You know what? That sounds like a great memory.
It was. Honestly, it was better than a normal dinner. It was relaxed. We laughed for hours. Now, every year, my brother Mike says, "Hey, Mom, is the turkey safe? Where is Buster?"
That is the best part of family. Even when things go wrong, if you laugh together, it becomes a good story.
Exactly. Family is messy, like the turkey on the floor, but it is also full of love.
And pizza.
And pizza. Never forget the pizza.
Wow, Lucy, that is a great story. I am definitely going to check where the dog is next time I cook dinner.
Good idea. So, listeners, that is our lesson for today. We talked about family members from siblings to cousins. We learned adjectives like grumpy, messy, and thoughtful. And we learned that sometimes dogs eat your dinner.
We have some homework for you. We want to hear from you. It
Yes, please leave a comment below this video or podcast. Tell us one sentence about your family.
can be simple. My mother is kind, or my brother is messy, or my dog is crazy.
We read every comment and we love learning about you.
Also, if you enjoyed this episode of TED Talk Daily, please press the like button. It helps us a lot.
And don't forget to subscribe. We have new English lessons every week. We want you to join our family here at the channel.
Thank you so much for listening. I am David.
And I am Lucy. Have a wonderful day with your family. Bye bye.
See you next time.